Yeah, Prof here. We got David over there getting drank. We got a new package here. I believe this is from Texas. Texas.
No. Why do I have a feeling it's going to be knurled and grooved?
You want to come and open this? I only have one hand if I fill in. Here, you can use my awesome Hunter Orange.
The 15th edition that you have there?
It's only the third one. From yeah, showing my address. Thanks.
Jeez. I just doxed you.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, I just didn't want to cut through, the thingy.
That's why you do it on the edge. And do it right in the middle. There's a padded envelope in there, so you're...
Oh, well, now you tell me.
Someone doesn't order enough pens.
What is this?
That's so they can ship it via UPS.
Do a thing. You just gotta do the little blur thing, it'll be fine. You won't get the docs too hard. Oh no, they know where you live.
Do you need to open that up?
I don't think so. They got a little
it's gonna break.
Thing. How dare you?
I told you it was gonna break.
From the sport. There you go.
Alright, I got it.
What is that? What? Okay.
Yeah.
We docs tactile turn?
No, just leave that in there.
Oh, okay.
Let's pull out the important bit. You know what the important bit is.
It's probably not that thing.
What? I love
the important.
I love the new logo.
Boom.
Oh, you have a coaster?
Oh, hold on a second. Boom.
And a sticky. I'm kind of bummed. I kind of wanted to order the. They had a cup, a diner style mug. For coffee. Yeah, I love this, and it has this tactile turn logo on it. This like the stylized one right there. But this is, I don't know why it's showing up so dark right here, but it is. What we have here is the new tactile turn seasonal. What is it? Is it fall? Fall 2023, I think.
It's something.
Seasonal pen. Dude, I love that they put so much time in their new boxes. There you go, Nitro. You can read that. Basically, we're hooked on coffee, so they wanted to make it a pen inspired by coffee.
You want me to hold this so you can do the unboxing? Where's the camera? There it is. Watch out.
Yeah, it's over there, and you can zoom if you want. With the zoomy.
Yeah. You got the world's worst cameraman here. Don't worry about it.
Alright, so we got Nitro pen. I think our box got a little beaten up in transit.
Oh, one-eyed.
It's got a little bit of weight. Here, I'm gonna help you out. Watch this. We're gonna hit. Alright, now I got some macro mode video for you guys.
Slow pan.
Look at that beauty. Yeah. Alright. On the white surface there with the cream clip. I don't know why it's so dark. Maybe we'll have to bump that up in post. But a big, really cool part of it, the clicker. That is the bronze or brass.
It's something, all right.
Bronze. So nice bronze button. These are only bronze colored. They're not actually bronze like the still button is. That finish, it's got that iridescent sheen. I don't know if because it's the I don't know why the camera is it because this is white. That's probably why it's coming through.
Maybe they just don't have enough light coming down here at the office.
No, it's a contrast thing. Here, let's try this. Is the pen brighter now? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's because we had the white background. But this has that nice sheen that that's on the what's the golf one called? Fairway?
Yeah.
I think it's called the Fairway. Right. And the Nautilus, they somehow get this like multi-toned sheen underneath. And normally it's a gold, but like I think it is also gold in this one, but because it's got this nice brown with the cream. The one thing I will say is that is a lot of play. I feel like normally on the standard side click, there's not that much play in the mechanism. You have one, don't you?
All I have is the Slim.
Okay. The Slim does have more play than the big ones usually.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't remember there being like, look at that.
Sometimes they don't actuate properly, so
Look
you
at
can
that.
click them just by pushing the button. It's great.
But
All
I
I
thought
have-
this one looked real nice.
All I have is that. So
I thought that, oh, and here's what we have for comparison today. One that I've used the hell out of. Really like the Ember. So, did have to I had to, this is apparently lube they put on. You can clean it off, but what I found is even if you clean, like you take a Q-tip, clean it off, it's just going to keep wiping because it's going where the...
Just keeps pushing it back in.
Yeah. So normally you wouldn't even see that because you wouldn't have a brightly colored, oh, I thought well, I guess I need to put more Loctite on it. It just unscrewed.
I feel your pain.
All my other ones, once I Loctited them,
They were good?
were good, but I was towards the end of the Loctite this time.
I feel your pain.
So I really like this one though. The Ember was really nice. So I even got a little nick in it, sadly, right there. Womp womp.
You
So-
can kind of see it, yeah.
But yeah, I swear this bolt was nice and tight yesterday. I'll have to redo it. But let's get a close up of the.
I'll let your handle.
There we go. There's our Nitro. I just saw this one. I'm not going to rate this as one of the best ones because that's going to be like Nautilus. The Nautilus still looks better than this. This one does have a lot of sex appeal to me though. And I really do like having the bronze button. I think that adds a lot of class to it. I wonder if that's because they, like whatever stock they milled it out of has more play in it than the titanium they normally use or something. But yeah, in this box it was really nicely done. All their new boxes are so nice, and I kind of like want to keep them, but then I remember I never gonna put it back in the box. And people are like, yeah, but it's like a collector thing, and you're gonna blah blah. Am I ever gonna sell these? Like, I actually found the one I was missing, the Stealth. Remember? So I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. Should I keep the boxes? I didn't keep a lot of the old ones because they're all the same generic box, but the newer ones have all been styled like the pens have. So you could have gotten a diner style coffee mug like this guy there, and it had this logo on it. Looked really cool. I should have done that. And then you also get this little sticker here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new pen here, the Nitro. Is this your vibe, your style? What do you think? And yeah, I'm interested to see how that much play goes. I'm gonna swap this ink for a Uniball immediately, so I'll be rocking this. I mean, usually what I try and do is rock the last seasonal until the new one comes out, and I did exactly that. And I've even killed an ink cartridge in this one this time. So really liked the Ember. Very, very nice. Maybe not one of their best looking ones, but I don't know, the overall build on it and feel was great. So happy to be back in a side click. I know David's pretty pumped about getting the other pen though, right?
Finding these ships.
Yeah,
Hurry up, guys.
Tactile keychains.
It's only been
These
3
guys
months.
are making their own pen too. Not Parker based, Space Pen. Space Pen based. Fairly unique design, I think. So hit that subscribe button. Hopefully we'll see you in that one. As always, I'm TheProfosist. You can find me Twitter, Instagram, etc., as well as in our Discord link down below. Have a good one. Peace.